Hey guys, today, well, yeah, y'all know I am Jamaican, right? Yeah, so today I'm in my backyard and we're going to be roasting some breadfruit. If you don't know what a breadfruit is, I'm going to show you a picture next. So this is where we're going to roast the breadfruit. See? It's wood. He's chopping the wood. We're going to put them in there. And there's some more wood. We're going to show you how we roast breadfruit Jamaican style.
What you guys doing?
What are you doing? We're roasting. And that, my people, is how you roast breadfruit. That's some still in the fire, and these are already roasted. So the only thing left for them to do is to be peeled and eaten or fried again. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. It's very windy. Excuse the wind if you're hearing me. So yeah, that is how we roast breadfruit in Jamaica. And for some of you guys, I know you might not have a clue what a breadfruit is, but I think I maybe do a blog on breadfruit, so you guys can be more familiar with that, and I'll probably just put the blog in the description. So yeah, I hope you learn something from this video, because that's how we in Jamaica we do a lot of roasting. Instead of frying with oil and etc., we roast and cook a lot of our food different. So excuse the crazy hair. I am just at home and I just got the help to roast the breadfruit, so I just took the chance and I didn't even comb my hair. But hey, can't always be pretty for the camera, can we? So don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to drop your comments below. If you don't know what a breadfruit is, I will tell you. You ask me questions and I will definitely give you an answer. So bye guys.